Video sample rear camera of the Xiaomi Redmi A5. So ang pinakamax resolution po is Full HD 1080p up to 30 fps. As you can see, medyo dark yung ano natin, yung pag-video natin. Pero hindi po ganun ka-dark pa dito ngayon. It's 5 PM and hindi pa naman madilim. Pero dito sa video natin, medyo mahirap siyang sumagap ng ilaw when it comes sa ayan, sa aperture. Ayan. Video sample front facing camera of the Xiaomi Redmi A5. Pinakamax resolution is Full HD 1080p up to 30 fps. So as you can see, when it comes sa camera ng front, medyo hindi ganun din kaganda. For its price lang 3 to 4,000 pesos sa inyo, very basic lang naman ang makukuha niyan when it comes sa camera quality. Ayan. Again, for its resolution, Full HD 1080p up to 30 fps. Ayan siya.